GTS Garage, what have I been up to? To be honest, not that much. Fast approaching my wedding, so unfortunately enough the majority of my resources, money, time, effort, everything like that, they all have to go towards that. But from the 7th of April, everything will then be clean. I will have the weekends and the money to finish the project. Frame and engine wise, engine's coming on nicely. I've given it a polish. I need to do a little bit more. It's not as shiny as I would like it. So I have Dremel. I should be doing a bit of this today, but not just to the top. I've had an idea. I know exactly how I want the engine to look now. So in my mind, I can see what the engine's going to look like. So I shall go down today, get some, get the things that I require, and then I shall work on that today. I shall show you a bit of that. Picked up the 3 tanks that I talked about last week. So the plan is today is to use the paint stripper, singe strip, take that right back to bare metal, rust for it, then take the surface rust off of it, get the Rust-Oleum rust primer on there, that will protect it from further rusting, and then I shall spray them, and then I shall get them decorated, and then I shall clear coat them, and then they will go up on the wall. So that will be today's video. Okay guys, as discussed, these are the 3 tanks that I've just purchased, and the aim is going to be to strip all 3. I mean, they're not in bad condition. I mean, they're in bloody awful condition, aren't they? But if I look at those there, and I shall do a flip for you so you can see the underside. As you can see, they're just crap tanks. They're not really any good to anybody else. So, the idea is, you can see, nice, yeah, nice, they're not really going to be used for anything other. Come on, give me a break. So basically, you can see that's beginning to come up. Yeah. Not enough on that one, I think. This one's taking a little bit longer to do as well. Probably the biggest effect was this one. So you can see that coming up. You can see on the sides. So all those paint specialists out there. No, you don't need to get me. 15, 20 minutes, okay. So all those paint specialists out there. What is this? Why? So let me just... What is that? It's like a rubber. And it comes off in one. You just get a scraper underneath it, and it is like a vinyl. It just goes all the way down. So what kind of paint is that? Thank you, love. One tank down for the majority. This is the oddest tank. It had a layer of almost plastic over the top. So the base layer looked like, to be honest, I don't know. It seemed like a normal paint on top of a plastic paint on top of what I thought was primer, but not. Because if you look at this lifts off exactly the same as the black stuff does. You just need to get a purchase, and then it's kind of like exactly the same. You just get it's the weirdest stuff, and up around the edges, just get an edge and pull it off. It's the strangest stuff. Again, thoughts, comments, tell me what it is, because this just looks like high build primer to a certain extent. That's all I can do for today. Weather beat me, so not going to be able to get any more of this done today. I'm hoping for a couple of nice evenings next week, and I can run a sander over those. As you can see, not quite sure what the hell that is. That is just one great big lump of filler by the looks of it, to be honest. But we'll get that out. As you can see, just needs a bit of prep work. Then I'll rust protect them. Let's sand all that down. I do like the sides of that tank. There's something about that tank I do like. So we shall take that one, rust protect them. Here's the other one. The other one's down there. Again, it's got the flattened. Something about the flattened ones I like, so I shall take that one back. Back to bare metal, treat the rust, and then I shall put a layer of rust primer on it, and that will be that.